Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to talk about sheet masks and how you can use your sheet masks effectively at home. I know we all love using sheet masks, but there are a few common mistakes and misconceptions that people have with sheet masks, and I really hope that with this video I'm able to clear that out. I am going to use the Lakme Blush and Glow Fruitilicious sheet mask. They come in 5 different variants and they're all different fruit flavors. I think fruits are so much fun, they're fresh, they're really nice for your skin, and these are priced at ₹100 each, and each sheet mask has the extracts of variant that it is. So the lemon one has lemon extracts, got strawberry, kiwi, pomegranate, watermelon, so there's lots to choose from. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
How to use your sheet masks effectively, featuring Lakme's Fruitilicious sheet masks. Do not apply your sheet mask to dirty skin. Always wash your skin and then apply toner and then your sheet mask. Don't apply moisturizers before your sheet mask. Use the moisturizer after the sheet mask to seal in the hydration. And if you're using it in the morning, always follow it up with sunscreen. Sheet masks are soaked with nourishing essences that penetrates deep into your skin, and in this case, they are made with 100% real fruit extracts that go deep into your skin and gives you an amazing glow. Keep your sheet masks on for 15 to 20 minutes and do not let it dry on your skin. Once you're done, massage all your excess essence into your face, neck, and your elbows. You can use your sheet masks every single day, and it's especially amazing before makeup. So that's it. Now you know how to use your sheet masks effectively.